Hi Somas, welcome back, and this is my class update for the week commencing 4th of November 2024. And I don't know about you, but I cannot believe we are already into November. Where is this year going? So the theme for this week is releasing tension in the mid-back, and this theme is for two of my students, Carol and Steph. Carol says that she gets a lot of tension in this mid-back area, and Steph just wants to balance her posture. And often we get this tension in this mid-back area because we might have this happening in our posture. So the shoulders are dropping forwards, but also we might have a little bit of tension and arching in the lower back. Or we might be more tucked under in the pelvis, holding tension in the abdominal muscles and shoulders pulled back. And that just causes a lot of confusion to our musculoskeletal system and just has that really nagging pain in that mid-back. So I'm sharing a really great class to balance the muscles through the front of the body and the back of the body. It's not complex in somatics, and it'll help you to feel completely change how fluid your movements feel, and also it'll help you to feel taller, because where we might be stuck in flexion or extension, it literally shortens our spine. So I'm only just over 4'11", so anything that helps me to maintain my length in my spine and in my height is always a thumbs up for me. The other thing I wanted to share with you is that I have a retreat planned for February 2025, 7th to the 10th, at the beautiful Bainland Lodges Retreats in Woodhall Spa in Lincolnshire. Now, I've already sold 6 of the rooms. No, 6 single rooms, 1 twin, and there's 3 twin rooms left. It's going to be a magical weekend. It's a reconnection weekend for women, and there's going to be a combination of somatics, yoga, chakra dancing, yoga nidra, sound bath, and journaling, and really focusing on setting intentions of how you want your life to change, how you want to grow personally. So details on my website if you are interested in that. The 16th of November, I'm teaching a somatic yoga and chakra dancing class at Central Wellness in Lincoln. And the 6th of December, I've got a really lovely, soothing, calming, relaxing evening of somatics and yoga nidra. All that information is on my website. Have a great week. I hope you can join me either online or catch up in my on-demand library. And I look forward to sharing more with you soon. Take care of yourselves. Have a great week.